That's the view, right? All right, guys. Today, we're going to be playing with the 240. So I got some stuff for the 240, and we're going to strap it on there. I've been waiting for this part for a long time. I ordered... Stop it. I've been waiting for this part for a while, and it's finally arrived because they were out of stock of it. But let's check this out. So this wing right here, we're gonna modify this wing today. I still love this color on this car just because it covers up like a lot of the imperfections. So we're gonna keep this for a while probably. But this wing, I feel like these fins are too small. I got some new fins. Let me show you. Okay, you guys ready for this? Damn. Okay, so this is the Big Country Labs hatchet wing. Okay, this is the biggest one that they have, and it's gonna go right there. I think that's gonna look great. Maybe it's a little too racer, I don't know, but that's the whole point of this car, right? So I'm gonna position it probably like this, where we'll use, oh look, it might, no, close, very close. So if I use this here, that doesn't fit. If I use this here, that doesn't fit. So I'm gonna drill and extend this thing a little bit. And I think that would do the trick. Sick. Let's see. Okay, I got hole number 1 and hole money, hole number 2. Damn, I'm good. Just eyeball that one. Yo, this looks 100 times better. Check this out. Oh man, look at that. Whew. Mad aggressive. This car's ridiculous. I don't know if I like those front splitters. I might take those off. I feel like they're not big enough for all of that. But those fins look so sick. All right, there's another idea, right? So I ended up getting the wrong fins. Let me show you guys. So these are the other ones I got, and they are the smaller size. So if you're ever wondering what the difference is between these two, look at that wing. I don't know. We're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it. But that's the size difference there. So I don't know if you guys can see. It kind of just blends in. But I ordered these ones at first because they didn't have these ones, and then I was like, they're too small. Yeah, I feel like they would be too small. So. What do you think? Something like that. I need a welder. We'll see. All right, let's do the other part. I also got some new brake pads and some new rotors. So these ones are pretty worn out, especially the ones in the back. I got new front and back rotors. So this one you can like totally feel a lip in if you reach in there. And it's starting to squeak a little bit. So we're gonna jack this up and then put the new the new brake pads and rotors in. Oh, look how nice. It comes labeled rear passenger side, front passenger side. Okay, so I got this whole thing set up where to just do any stuff on this car. It's locked. To do anything on this car, all you gotta do is just take this screw off, and then those bolts right down there, and then this side skirt pops off, you can jack it up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay. There we go. There we go. See how much brake I got left. Not bad. Could be better. What are these? Retainer clips? What's going on here? Okay. How'd it go? Like this? I hate when that happens. Okay. I see. Now we gotta take this thing off somehow. Okay, I got these two bolts in the back loose. Okay, you just undo, oh, and that falls right off, and then your caliper or your rotor just comes right off too. Okay, that's looking decent. Just like that. Just like that. Man, 240s are nice because they're so easy to work on. Like, there's no tricks to it. It's literally just unbolt stuff and rebolt stuff. Like, to lower and raise the car, literally all you need to do is undo these two. The whole thing just drops down and you turn it. Super easy. Unlike, like, that thing. I don't even want to mess with that thing. Dang, these are pretty much slicks. I better burn these up and get some new ones on. These are they're stuck on there. What the hell? Oh, I gotta figure this out. There we go. All back together with my 50mm spacer. That's what you gotta do to fit this wide body. You know what I'm saying? And since this is a drift car, we're not gonna get any fancy wheels for this thing because I might hit something. This will do. This will do. And just a quick update with the S14. I did get one of these badges from Japan. So this is looking very slick now. What is happening? Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. I think she's just hanging out, but that is the edge of the building. What the hell? Y'all playing around out here. All right, hold the phone, hold the episode. You guys have got to see what this thing looks like right here in my rooftop setting. It's looking so nasty. You ready? Here we go. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you like watching these videos, let me know in the comments. I really appreciate those of you guys who do watch these types of videos, because I try to sprinkle some of my personal cars in between the wrap. So if you guys are true supporters of the channel, make sure you subscribe and watch these personal ones as well, because over time you can see the journey of these cars growing. This one is just looking so good. All right, so now that the new brakes are on, right there, okay, right there. We're not gonna do big brake upgrades until I get a lot more power and we switch over to a 5-lug, but right now this is good enough to practice on, get some seat time and slide. So there it is. We are ready to slide. That's just so nasty. Ooh, okay. I don't know, in my opinion, this looks really good. A lot of people do like the shopping cart look that goes all the way up here with these kinds of wings. That's cool too, but I like the drag wing style, like the low wing look. Let me know if I should wrap this whole side in the glitter on this on the flat part of the wing. I don't know. I think the black does it well, and it kind of does, you know, breaks it up a little bit. So we'll see what I do. All right, guys, that's it. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe. Remember to turn on that notifications, and I'll catch you guys later.